Instant communication. It connects our planet. Bits and bytes and bouncing signals serve purposes never dreamed of just a few short years ago. Sharing information, supporting economic growth, giving people everywhere new tools for education, for development, for understanding. But that's just part of the story. When people suffer from the cruelty of natural disasters or war, then this information and communication technology, this ICT, makes a different kind of contribution. Setting up communication networks at the site of an emergency is an essential first step in coordinating the global effort to get crucial supplies to disaster victims. The United Nations World Food Programme leads the way in meeting this enormous challenge. WFP is the world's largest humanitarian aid organization and the UN's front line for emergency relief. Its responsibility? To find the fastest, most efficient and most effective way to get life-saving food and supplies to disaster victims whenever and wherever a disaster occurs. Early on, WFP recognized the potential of harnessing the advances of fast-changing ICT technology to the life and death mission of delivering food. Now it maintains one of the world's largest humanitarian communications networks. Its globally respected ICT experts always on alert, posted around the world to shorten response time in reaching any place on the planet that a disaster may strike. In an emergency, ICT officers arrive first, assess instantly with trained eyes, begin the process of setting up the communications infrastructure, and within hours will establish that crucial connection enabling humanitarian workers to get their stories out, to call for support, to coordinate, to work for immediate survival of victims, but also to start the process of rebuilding by connecting. World Food Programme ICT officers rely on technical savvy, managerial skills, finding ways to connect from the world's most remote, most dangerous, and most tragic locations. Never dormant, they also build their skills through ongoing technical training and education. They ensure their fast response by strategically placing stockpiles of equipment around the world, and they establish preliminary agreements with partner organizations to provide needed funding, staff, or equipment. Their efforts give WFP field staff the ability to coordinate activities on the ground and to keep the entire organization in the loop as decisions are made minute by minute in constantly changing situations. But WFP does not operate alone in these situations. Many agencies respond, each with its job to do, and WFP supports them too, providing emergency telecommunications services for the entire humanitarian community.
This is Kilo Foxtrot 5, roger.
Communication. Allow all involved to work as one. And when their networks are established, when they have trained staff to maintain the communications systems they've set up, they hand over the responsibility and return to base, to continue to train, plan and prepare, to be ready for the next time they are needed.
Mobile 57, this is Foxtrot 5, over.